Do you want to have smoother, younger skin? As the years pass, many women, and even men, are looking for ways to make their skin smoother and younger. And if that wasn't enough, many of them want a natural recipe with safe and cheap ingredients. If that's your case, you came to the right place. In today's video, you will learn how to make a facial mask with flaxseed gel to get rid of wrinkles and moisturize your skin. Flax seeds are small, brown, or golden. Highly valued for eating, flax seeds are a great source of dietary fiber, proteins, and minerals, like manganese and magnesium. They are known for being one of the best plant sources of the essential fatty acid omega-3. Besides its many health benefits, flaxseed is also good for the skin, making it younger, firmer, and more hydrated. This gel will become part of your skincare routine as soon as you try it. The flaxseed gel has high concentrations of omega-3, vitamin E, zinc, and bactericide compounds. Flaxseed gel has antioxidant properties that accelerate cell regeneration and prevent cell damage caused by free radicals. It makes your skin look healthier and firmer and protects it from sun damage. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. First, you need to make the flaxseed gel. For that, put 2 tablespoons of flaxseed, brown or golden, in a pan. Add 3.4 ounces of filtered water and cook it. As it cooks, keep stirring with a spoon while it becomes a jam-like consistency. Once the gel is formed, turn off the heat and strain. After that, combine 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil with 4 tablespoons of flaxseed gel. Then apply it over your skin in the following manner. Wash your face as usual with soap. Then apply the gel, paying more attention to areas with more wrinkles. Massage with gentle circular motions. Let it act for 20 minutes. Then wash with running water and apply your favorite moisturizer or sunscreen. You can leave the gel overnight and wash your face in the morning if you want even more efficient results. You can use this gel daily and apply it over your neck, chest, and hands. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.